You are watching youtube.com/MeekFro, and today we are talking about these wonderful Boho Locs. Yes, that's the name of the brand, Boho Locs. Yes, these are some crochet locks, and I'm going to show you exactly how I install them. A very interesting method, by the way. Kind of odd, but you get the drift. This is a one-pack deal. One pack is enough, guys, and it comes with dread accessories. Look at that. Lots of them you can apply to your dreads. And you also get a discount code that comes inside of the pack, I believe. See, 6 bundles come in one pack, and you have locks that are left over after you install. 20 locks within each bundle. Had to remind myself with the 2-0 sign. So this is how I install them. I take my hair here, as you can see, part your hair. And you're going to want to take the pre-loop lock. As you can see, all of these locks are pre-looped and handmade. They all look different. Yes, giving it a natural feel. You open the loop there and you put it around your real hair like so. As you can see, pull your real hair through. And then what you're going to do here is you're just going to do a 3-strand braid. The dread being the 3rd strand and 2 strands being your real hair. So yeah, let's see what that looks like. Guys, this is the method I chose. So once you braid down a little bit, you want to start to wrap your hair around the lock as crisp and as clean as possible. Or if you want it to be messy, that's fine too, but as long as you're wrapping the hair tightly around the dread. This is your real hair you're wrapping around, so this won't be considered a protective style. So once you get finished wrapping, you want to palm roll, and then you want to take some holding spray. I have some Max holding spray, like the Max, and spray and focus on basically your real hair, if that makes sense. This will keep your hair intact with the lock. Yeah, and it also smells really good, by the way. And so after you spray that, you want to make sure it dries before you do any maneuvering or trying to style your locks. Make sure they dry, and then boom, you are done. I think this took me like 5 to 6 hours to do. You could possibly hit it within 4 hours if you're consistent. You already know I'm not consistent with my styling. This is how much hair I had left over, you guys. A bundle and a bundle and a half. And I'm just applying the accessories that the dreads came with. I'm using my crochet needle to apply those. The crochet needle is sold separately. It does not come with the kit. But yeah, this is the method I chose on installing my accessories. So all in all, these locks are super lightweight, and the method I chose is extremely tension free. These are crochet locks, by the way. Once again, you can install these any type of way you would like, the traditional way, but I will not recommend the pull through method. They will not work with these locks in particular because they're not to be unraveled to do so. So any other individual method or traditional method you can do with these locks, of course. Thanks so much, Boho Locs, for sending me these locks. I look forward to working with you guys again. Bye, you guys.